this is Retro Respect, and we're going to play Horace Goes Skiing. If I can get this, see, this was made in '82. This is the sequel to Hungry Horace. See if we can still play this. What's the keys? Right. Got the keys. Yes, I've got the keys. Let's go for it. As you can see, it's like a bit like a Frogger game at this point. Just got to get over this busy road. I think there'd be some traffic lights somewhere, wouldn't you? Ouch. Got to pay ambulance fee. Oh, well, that's an ambulance handy, isn't it? Horace had three games back in the early 80s. Hungry Horace, this is a second sequel called Horace Goes Skiing, and then there was Horace and the Spiders in '83. See, I've got some skis there, got to get back across this road. Oh. Right, last chance here. No cash. Oof. So this is it. I'm starting to ski it. This came out on a few systems. It came out on the 64 as well. Apparently that's a bit faster. You see, just got to get between the flags. Decent game. Really stuck on game this. And you get this in the starter pack with the 40k version of the spec one. Oh, hit the flag. So this is the whole point. Pretty basic, but back in the day it was don't hit the trees either. Right, just going to show it what the end is like. Good. I will get round to playing Hungry Horace and Horace and the Spider at some point. Just wanted to show you this one first though. Hopefully it won't get the end. I think I'm nearly at the end now. Can I do it? Oh yes. That's first bit completed. He's got to get back over the road again. Oh. Way too busy this. Way too busy. Oh. No money. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed that small review. Horace Goes Skiing. Can't listen to this too long. God. Do your head in. But hope you enjoyed that review. Just a small review, but if you enjoyed that, if you can subscribe or give me a thumbs up or have a chat about it, I'll be, I'm willing to talk about anything about the games. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye bye.